Hello!
How are you?
Comfort Talk is here for you.
In this segment, we are going to talk about certain topic, exchanging ideas that you can relate to and giving some advices that will be beneficial to our dear viewers and listeners.
Let's now start our talk. In this episode, we are talking about on how to manage your time in social media. Nowadays, using social media is popular. Aside from the adults users, there are also the young ones. And we are getting addicted to it. It seems like we put our time, more time in spending watching videos or posting.
But aside from that, partner, this social media have two sides. It gives us entertainment. We can connect to people. And the other side is we are getting addicted to it. And we always keep ourselves connected to the people that sometimes we lost in the real world.
Yes, that's true. So, yes, we are used to be always put our time on social media, posting, watching the other people, or chatting with other people, and we forget to connect the people beside us,
Yes.
right? So, do you consider yourself addicted to social media?
Well, I can say na I'm addicted to social media. I cannot live without social media and
yeah.
without my phone or any
Gadgets.
gadgets. Yes, because it's important. It's 21st century, right? So everything is modern now.
Yes,
But-
we need
But
those.
yes, we need those. But
Sometimes it's not good. It said addicted, di ba? Pag
Yeah.
sabing addicted, it is already considered bad. Bad habit na siya. We put our more time on social media than other things. And parang nakakawala ng time to spend to other people.
like
Yung mga lalo na yung mas malapit sa'yo. Kasi we put ourselves on social media, mas laging tayo nagpo-post, laging lang nanonood ng other videos, or taking a look at the life of other people. Yes, and I think I'm also addicted to social media. But, yes, parang kasing pag nag-scroll ka, parang nag-scroll ka dito, isang video, tapos may gustong mas interesting na yung
yes.
nakikita mo. So, parang, yung example, 5 minutes lang sana na break mo, mas tumagal pa kasi ang dami na yung videos na napapanood. And parang, parang gusto ko na lang manood kaysa gawin yung dapat kong gawin.
yung di mo na namamalayan yung oras na 1 hour ka na pala, 2 hours ka na pala dito sa social media na ito na kala mo 5 minutes lang,
Oo.
diba? So,
Yung parang mag-check ka lang ng email mo tapos pumunta ka na sa ibang
yes,
apps
sa ibang
mo.
apps na hindi naman worth it sa time mo.
Oo, kasi may gagawin ka sana, yun nalimutan mo na. And sometimes nangyayari yun sa akin, parang may titignan lang sana akong picture, hindi picture lang tapos pumunta ako sa other apps ko. Doon, yun, wala na ako, nalimutan ko na yung gagawin ko. And mas pa rin, yung pag natutulog ka na, tapos nag-i-scroll
so
ka.
it's like a routine.
Yeah.
Having a social media, having a cell phone, or any gadget, it's like a routine na. For example ba, sabi mo, pag matutulog ka na, you need to scroll first.
Yeah, oo. Parang yun
Diba?
yung routine mo para makatulog ka. Pero
Yes.
in fact, parang mas nagigising ka pa.
Oo, partner, tama ka dyan. Imbis na matulog ka na magsa-cellphone ka pa, magsusural ka pa sa social media dahil nga, curious ka. Curious ka sa lahat ng bagay at naa-addict ka na.
Oo, kaya it's not good na addict tayo sa social media. So, yes, I can consider myself, and you also, partner, right? You can consider yourself as na-addict ka na sa social media, which is not good. Kasi hindi tayo nagiging productive.
Yes.
Parang kinakain ng social media yung time natin to do that certain thing. As, yun, parang yung sanang gagawin mong ang household chores. Pero nauwi ka lang sa pag-i-scroll, nanonood ka, and then wala na yung time. Kaya it's not good na addict tayo sa social media.
Yes. And sabi mo nga kanina, partner, di ba? Social media has two sides. So, it's either good and bad side. So, hindi lang naman all about bad side. So, it really depends on how you use social media.
Yes.
Yes. Because some people have their social media as their works, just like influencers.
Oh, yes.
They always use social media. Just like those who are models on Instagram or anywhere, diba? That's their work and they need to use social media.
Yes.
And I think also, there's nothing wrong with that. It's also a good thing dahil that's your work. That's how you make money.
Yes.
Uh-uh.
Exactly.
Yes. And the bad side naman, dun yung mga nagbubuhos ka ng oras na wala naman nabibigay sa'yo. Maybe entertainment.
Yes.
Yes, entertainment.
But yung bad side pa din dun is, di ba, we put too much time on scrolling on social media and nakikita natin yung life ng ibang mga tao. For example, yung mga well-known na influencers or yung mga artists, mga models, okay, yung mga influencers. So, nakikita natin yung life nila, ang ganda-ganda. Parang nagki-create din tayo ng insecurities sa sarili natin. Right? Parang, okay, ang ganda naman ng damit ni parang yun, pupunta ka na sa other side kasi gusto mo makuha yun. Parang, nagiging ganun na yung cycle. Nagkakaroon tayo ng insecurities, tapos pupunta ka sa, for example, ang ganda-ganda na nakikita mo, ang ganda-ganda ng influencer na yun. Parang gusto mo din mangging ganun. And then, punta ka sa salamin, okay, hindi pala pantay yung yung kilay ko, asymmetrical ako. So, nagki-create ng insecurities yung pagiging addict ng social media kasi nakikita natin yung magandang life ng ibang tao.
And that's not the reality, di ba? They
Yes.
are influencers. That's yan yung work nila. How to become a beautiful person, how to become hindi naman perfect, pero having a good life.
Oo. And bakit hindi naman tayo nagpo-post para, di ba yung papakita natin is yung magandang nangyayari sa buhay natin, hindi yung bad sides.
Yes, that's not the reality.
Okay, yes. So yun, addicted kami sa social media. And what are the possible reasons why we always wanted to spend our time on social media? Yun, isa na yung entertainment.
Yes, isa na entertainment doon, partner. So, I can see rin na, addictive siya. Addictive siya talaga to the point na, di mo na namamalayan yung oras. Yes.
So, aside sa entertainment is, minsan bored tayo. Bored tayo kaya scroll na lang tayo sa social media, tingin ng mga videos, we binge watch, di ba, mga ganun ginagawa natin. We spend our time or chatting with other people and I think yan din siguro kasi magkakalayo din tayo. Yung mga close natin, hindi malapit sa atin kaya. And parang na talaga, uso na talaga yung social media
Talaga.
ngayon.
Yes.
And we also keep posting of the things happening to us, right? And
dapat updated ba?
Oo.
Ganun.
Yun yung mga possible reasons is bored tayo or we want to show off.
Yes.
Then we want to, ano pa ba?
And pwede rin na dahil parang stress gateway mo
okay,
yung
yes.
social media. Minsan sobrang stress na natin sa school, sa career, yes, sa life.
General,
yes,
yes.
Gusto natin ng
Diversion.
yes,
diversion
so we
sa
went
problema.
to
Social media.
So, doon lang natin nare-rest yung utak natin, sarili, sa social media.
Oo, kasi di ba pag sometimes we scroll, nakikita natin yung may mga funny videos, tapos yun, naaano natin kaya we seek the social media, we spend more time on it. Kasi yun mga possible reasons. And, okay, partner here, for you, what are the good sides of social media?
So, sa akin, yung good side ng social media is, especially now, this is social media. Updated na tayo sa lahat, di ba? So, yung mga news, ang bilis-bilis nang dumating.
Instant na siya.
Yeah, instant na siya. Na parang kahit saan ka, kung anong parte ka man, nasaan
may
parte ka man
signal
ng mundo, basta may signal, may internet, dadating sa'yo yung
Message,
news.
yes.
Yeah, on time. Message on time. Di na kailangan, di gaya ng unang panahon na magpadala ng letters.
It takes days or months before
Yes,
makuha nila. So, yes, that's the good side of social media. Instant na yung mga delivery of
Yes.
message.
Messages.
Yes.
And especially now, it's pandemic, di ba? We use social media na to study, especially
Yes.
yung mga online students, online class, di ba? We use social media to give information to the students.
Yes.
Yes. And also with the bad sides,
So,
partner,
okay, so yung bad side, yun, naa-addict tayo sa social media. We spend more time. Parang yun na lang, spend more time. And also, it create insecurities and mental health problems. Pwede rin yun. nagkakaroon din tayo or nagkakasakit tayo, yung our health issues,
Yes.
right?
Pwede
We
rin.
spend or more time on social media, yung mata natin, or nai-stress tayo masyado, yun yung mga bad
radiation.
sides niya, radiation, yes. For example, we have our work, we have homework, kailangan natin tapusin, pero nag-break ka ng 5 minutes, tapos yun pala is hindi na 5 minutes yung break mo, dun sa kaka-scroll mo. So, pwedeng, yun, nawalan ka na ng time to finish your homework. So, yun din yung other bad side, first, mas especially sa mga students. So, okay, the question in here is, how you manage your time in social media? Paano mo ba minamanage yung time mo sa social media?
So for me, how do I manage my time on social media is be aware how much time you spend on social media. So tignan mo, like sabi mo kanina na you need to see how much time. Nakala mo 5 minutes ka lang, 1 hour na pala, 'di ba? So you need to see that. Tignan mo kung ilang oras ka na nakababad doon, and next time try to minusan or kulangan yung time na yan.
Yes. Yeah. So, yun lang. You have to be responsible on your time and using your social media. Huwag masyadong ma-addict kung ano yung... Kasi, yes, it gives entertainment. It gives... it become your stress reliever. Pero, we need to remember that hindi dapat ilaan yung lahat ng oras natin sa social media. We need to control, and that's the last why we need to control ourselves in using social media. Why we
And also, partner, you need to identify which apps or which social
yes.
media yung always mong ginagamit. So, for example, you're using TikTok or Facebook or any kind of social platforms you use mostly. So, tignan mo yun. You need to see that. For example, you're using Facebook too much. You need to maybe uninstall it.
For the meantime,
For the
yes.
meantime, try to uninstall it. Baka makatulong.
Yes, that's what we are doing, right?
Yeah.
If we thought that yung time namin is sobra na kaming nag-i-spend ng time sa social media, sa app na yun is we uninstall it para kasi 'di ba minsan if iba yung gamit mo, like browser yung gamit mo, or anong tawag sa iPhone?
Safari.
Yun. Yun yung gamit mo is parang ang hassle pag gugamit ka ng Facebook, doon ka magla-login.
True ka
Oo.
dyan, partner.
Yun yung ginagawa namin para hindi kami masyadong mag-spend ng time sa platform na yon. But I'm not saying that yung mga social media or mga platforms is bad. Yun nga, may bad and good side pa rin siya. But we need to control. And most especially yung mga bata ngayon, di ba? They are watching videos and...
YouTube, they're addicted to YouTube,
Yes,
di ba?
oo. But maybe parents should be aware on that. Kailangan nilang bigyan ng oras lang.
Yes.
Ilang oras dapat ilaan ng mga anak nila to watch that, to use phones na lang.
Para in the future, di sila mahirapan, di ba? Baka sobrang addict na sila sa
Oo,
cellphone.
mahirapan na sila.
Mahirapan na sila mag-focus into studies nila dahil addicted na sila sa cellphone. And maybe, health issues din, di ba? Kasi sobrang
Yes.
bata pa.
And parang nagkikreate din ata yun ng tantrum sa mga bata. Parang hindi mo sila bigyan hindi mo ibigay yung phone nila is mas aggressive sila.
So, yeah, nagkikreate sila ng tantrums na parang naging life na rin nila yung cellphone.
Yes.
Na parang gaya na natin, di ba? Na they can't live without social media, without cellphone, di ba?
Yes. And we need discipline in using social media. Yun na talaga, we need discipline.